The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, ZMPT voltage sensor, LCD display, I2C converter, breadboard, 2-pin, connecting wires and connecting cable.
Now log into the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Then from the left side menu, go to Things. Here click the plus thing button. Here we can rename the thing as voltage monitoring. And click on the rename button. Now we need to add one variable. Click this add button and add the variable name as voltage. And select the variable type as floating point. And click on the add variable button. Now we need to select the device. Now go to associated device and click the select device button. Here set up new device and select the third party device. Here we are using ESP32 board, so select ESP32 and select the model as ESP32 DOV module. And click on continue button. Here we can give any device name. And click next. Here copy this secret key. Select this checkbox and click the continue button and click done. Now we need to configure the network. Click the configure button under network. Here enter the Wi-Fi username and password and then paste the secret key which we copied. And click save. Now go back to the menu and select dashboards. Here also click the plus dashboard button. Here also we can rename the dashboard name to voltage monitoring. And click on the rename button. Here click the edit button and add a gauge. Now click add and select the gauge. And here we can give the gauge name as voltage. And we need to link with the variable which we created in the things menu. So click this link variable button and link with the voltage variable. Now here we can give the maximum value as 500 and click on the done button. Now go back to the menu, go to things. Here select the thing voltage monitoring. And now go to sketch. Now the basic template is generated and we need to add the logic. So I have already wrote the program. So I will just copy paste the program and I will share the program link in the video description. Now we need to upload the program. For that, connect the ESP32 board to your laptop. Now this upload button is enabled. Now click this button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. We can also check the output through the mobile. For that, download the IoT remote application from the Play Store. Once you open the application, you can see the dashboard which we created in the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Now click on the dashboard and we can check the output.